In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open Leonardo AI in your web workspace and either create an account or sign in using one of the available login options, such as Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Once you're inside, one of the first things to check is your daily token balance. Leonardo AI gives you 150 free tokens every 24 hours, and these refresh automatically, so it's helpful to keep that in mind as you create and experiment. Next, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find the main tools and features that power the platform. This is where you can quickly move between areas like image generation, real-time canvas, and the AI Canvas editor. If you're new to the interface, spending a few seconds here can make the rest of the process much easier. When you're ready to create an image, go to Image Generation and look for the prompt bar at the top. This is where you'll type your description. Be as specific as possible about what you want to see. Include the subject, the colors, and the overall mood or style you're aiming for. Clear, detailed prompts usually lead to stronger results. After that, choose a model from the model menu. Different models are trained for different visual styles, so this selection has a big impact on the final look of your image. For example, you might use Leonardo Phoenix or Absolute Reality, depending on the kind of graphic style you want. Before generating, adjust your settings in the left panel. Set the image dimensions, choose the aspect ratio, and decide how many variations you want to create. These controls help shape both the format and the range of outputs you'll receive. Once your images are generated, hover over the results to access extra options. From there, you can download your image, remove the background, or upscale your favorite version for a cleaner, more polished result.